Yo, just take a look at this. Just underneath a waterfall. Yeah.
Hi.
It's Mason. Hello everyone. Hello.
Please like and subscribe. Hello.
Hello. Hello everyone. Okay, so let's take a look here. Yeah.
Yo guys, Mini Red Bull Monsters here. Like and subscribe.
If you don't like and subscribe, Brad might cry, so everyone should do that.
I'm the original founder of Mini Red Bull Monsters, definitely.
Are you really?
Definitely.
Oh, who said that? Oh, I don't know. So yeah, it's really cool up here. You can see, hopefully up there, you can see the glacier up there. Well, Sam just put his stupidity hand up in the way. There. Nice. What are you doing? So yeah, guys. Yeah, quite high up. Yeah, guys, and like and subscribe my channel. And yeah. Okay, guys. See ya.